Data cleaning, data transformation, you've probably heard these terms. Let's clear up the confusion. They pop up all the time in analytics and machine learning, and honestly, they get mixed up a lot. So are they the same thing? What's the real story here?
Not exactly. They're related, for sure, but their jobs are totally different. Okay, first up, data cleaning. Think of this as just fixing what's broken in your data.
The whole point is to boost your data quality. We're talking accuracy and reliability here.
Okay, check out this raw data. See that duplicate John? And Jane's age, -5? Yikes.
And boom! After cleaning, the duplicate's gone and that weird age is fixed. Nice and clean.
All right, now let's talk data transformation. This isn't about fixing things, it's about reshaping them. Here, the goal is to change the data's structure to make it actually usable for your analysis.
For example, say you have height data recorded in centimeters, but that's not what you need. Transformation just converts those numbers into meters, which is way better for our model.
This table lays it out perfectly. Cleaning fixes errors for quality, transformation changes the structure for analysis. Here's a great way to think about it, a cooking analogy. Data cleaning is like washing your vegetables.
And transformation, that's the chopping and cooking. You gotta have both to make a great dish.
So in a normal workflow, cleaning almost always comes first. You fix the data, then you shape it.
So if you remember one thing, it's this. Cleaning is to fix. Transformation is to shape.
Now that you know the difference, how's that going to change how you look at your next data set?